Hello, friends. This is Miss Rainey, your virtual teacher's assistant. And today I'm going to read you a story called How Do Dinosaurs Clean Their Rooms by Jane Yolen and Mark T. How does a dinosaur clean up his room? With a big bucket loader? Or a shovel or a broom? Does he stick all his teddy bears under his bed or shovel them all into his closet instead? Does he put dirty socks in the back of his drawers? Does he hide his old jammies behind bathroom doors? No, a dinosaur doesn't. He does all his chores. He picks up his toys and he puts them in rows. And into the hamper he throws dirty clothes. And all the ripped paper goes into the basket before either Mama or Papa can ask it. His room is quite tidy, the shelves, bed, and floor. Thank you, little dinosaur. The end.